come out, but the day I'm recording it's Friday. And so I got a question for you guys, and we're going to talk about it right after this. Hang tight, guys. Hey guys, so before I forget, don't forget to go and watch the Mytee Products giveaway video. Depending on when this one comes out, it'll be 2 or 3 before this one, maybe more. Anyway, but go back and you should be able to search Mytee Products giveaway, and you can narrow it down by going to the Hotshot playlist. So Hotshot Trucking playlist. So anyway, and get registered. You'll have to watch the video to figure out all the rules to get registered. But get registered for the giveaway we're doing there. So don't forget to like the video if you can. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell outside the subscribe button. And don't forget the link below. BeefJerky.com, 10% off. Mytee Products is $10 off, $250. And I'm going to have to watch that because I'm going to be saying that and it may be run out. So maybe by the time this video comes out, they'll still be having those promotions. So I will have to check and see what the next promotion is going to be. It may run through into May. So, but I'll check on that. But it should be good by the time this video comes out anyway. So, all right, guys, I got a question for you guys. So there are a lot of potholes in Alabama. Y'all just heard that. I picked Swap Lane. I'm just coming back into Alabama. So there's a lot of hotshot channels. There's a lot of trucking channels. There's a lot of trucking channels. There's probably more trucking channels maybe than there are hotshot channels. I don't know. Anyway, a lot of the channels give you daily news, any updates and stuff like that. I try to give you stuff about the business. You learn about the business. And occasionally, if I hear some news, I may do a video about something we can do maybe to avoid or help that situation. You know, sort of like the be prepared, others first, me second kind of deal. I done a video about that, maybe 1 or 2 before this one. But anyway, would you guys like me to throw in more hot news topics in my videos? Like, if there's a hot news topic, would you guys like me to report that in case you don't see it? I mean, I'm talking about hotshot related, not trucking related. Occasionally, for instance, the others first, me second, when I talk about in that video, a couple videos back, that was actually a semi-truck news story. Would you guys like me to throw out some news stories that were only hotshot related? Or does trucking news stories interest you guys as well? Or do you not want news stories at all? I just try to think of things all the time that you guys might be interested in. This is basically your channel. I video it and try to find out the information you guys are looking for and put it out there. So I try to do the research and all that to help you if I don't already know the answer to it. So I've been thinking about that some. I thought, well, some of y'all may not like the news stories because there are trucking channels that do daily news report. But most of those, matter of fact, I've not seen a hotshot news story on that, but that don't mean he hadn't had some or they hadn't had some. So give me your take on that. Also, to talk about my mind just went blank. Oh, another question I have for you guys, hotshotters, truckers, or whatever. Do you guys schedule off vacation say like maybe in prime season? Do you not schedule it off? Do you even take a vacation? Do you take a vacation when things are a little slow? You wait till things are slow to take a vacation, or what's y'all's take on taking off time? We all know loads, good paying loads are hard to get, and good customers are hard to get. So, do you risk it? Or you just plow on and hopefully one of these days to take a big vacation? I'd like to know y'all's feedback on that as well. So, after all that being said and all those questions asked, I'm just cruising down the road. I just come into Alabama. I've been to Chattanooga, Tennessee. If any of you guys around the Chattanooga area heard of Siskin Steel, I just got loaded at Siskin Steel and headed back to Fort Payne, Alabama with a very, very big old load, and I say that sarcastically. I think it is 2,095 pounds. Yep, 2,095 pounds. That's a pretty good average for me. Occasionally I'll haul 10,000 pounds plus, but you buy a trailer from me, you're gonna get one that might be pulled several miles, but not loaded much. I think that big Texas I just sold maybe 3 or 4 times had over 10,000 pounds on it since I owned it, which was since July. By the way, I sold that. If y'all missed the video where I told that I had already sold that. I told y'all about having it for sale several videos ago, and I sold it. This is a Friday, the Saturday before this Friday, which, like I say, this video will come out, I don't know when it'll come out. Sometimes I slide videos between other videos that I think are more up to date, like if it's something to do with something going on or something that the trucking industry's seen a big issue with, I'll slide a video in front of some other videos. So I don't really know when it'll come out. But anyway, so I've just come from Siskin Steel and got a load there and headed back, and just thought I'd holler at y'all. I had a couple questions about the channel, and y'all's input's real important. I can't do everything. Now just know that up front. Also know that if you give me a suggestion, even if it is something I'm considering, know that I stay nearly a week and a half ahead of you guys. So if you tell me something when you're watching this video, I've got a week and a half worth of videos at the very least already uploaded to YouTube, ready to come out. So don't get your feelings hurt if I don't do it. But even if I do a video on the subject, it could be 2 to 3 weeks before you see it, because it takes a while. It takes a while to put together. I just done a collaboration video with Mytee, and y'all seen it already because it's done been out, the Mytee Product giveaway, and that was sort of a collaboration between us and them. They let us use some of their video stuff because well, I was trying to get it out, and I didn't have a video or a way of making a video that worked with what we needed to be out into the video. So don't get your feelings hurt. So, and also another question: do you guys like just riding along, like riding along with me and just talking about whatever I talk about in the trucking world, or just my life in general? I know a lot of hotshot channels. That's what they do. They just take you along, they ride, they throw up some videos outside, some videos inside, and go that route. So, this is your chance to give me feedback. So, and the comment section is a great place to do. So, hopefully maybe we'll continue to grow and we can do some more collaborations with Mytee and maybe give some more stuff away down the road. So help us share the videos, help us grow. The more we grow, the more we get, and the more we grow, the more collaborations we get with other companies. So that helps. Alright guys, I'm not going to hold you up too long. I just had those questions. I'm always trying to improve the channel, and your input helped me do that. So I want to put out stuff you guys like. So because I think it might be good, might not mean nothing. So, and I've seen that y'all love DOT videos, videos that talk about DOT, anything. Y'all love those. Y'all also like videos where I do repairs, axle hub. Oh, my 12,000 pound axle hub replacement from plastic to aluminum on the big Tex. That video is it is the biggest video other than a short that I've ever did. I think it just tripped 2,000 views, and for a little channel like mine, that's pretty good. So I appreciate all that. So I'll try to get more stuff. That's one way I look. I look at how many views a video gets, and that lets me know what y'all like, but I'd really rather know in the comments what y'all like. Alright, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Keep a great attitude. Oh, a while ago, any of you that's come out of Chattanooga going towards the 59-24 split, you come around the river. And as you come around the river, the Tennessee Welcome Center on the left. We're going south. The northbound Welcome Center on the left. Anyway, there's a couple of cities right there as we're coming out of town, and traffic's coming on. And we're coming off a hill, and we're all running. Even in traffic right there, we're probably all running 60, and the traffic's nose to tail. I mean, just like a Daytona Speedway race. And we're rolling. This Prius, I said it, this Toyota Prius, I got a semi beside me, and we're all being careful. There's a lot of space between us and the cars in front of it. But we're moving. The speed limit through there, I think, 65, and we're all running 65. Some people are probably running 70. But me and this truck's cruising because the outside lane's actually going faster. And so we're passing all these cars in the right lane. And this big Day Express guy, he done really good to keep his cool and keep his composure and keep his truck in his lane. And I mean, he done really good. I was trying to give him some space, but there was just too many cars between us. I was trying to give him room so he could come over, but it just didn't work out. But he blowed the horn. And this Prius come right out, bumper to front, rear bumper to front bumper, rear bumper of the Prius to the front bumper of the truck. I don't know how they meant. I did not even see the Prius come out in front of the truck. That's how close he was. But hats off if you're watching to the Day Express guy coming out of Chattanooga about 4:22 on I'll tell y'all when this video is made. April the 22nd, Friday, April the 22nd. Hats off to you, buddy. And I appreciate you keeping you cool and not killing the people in the Prius. Woo! Man, scared me to death. And I know it did him. And, but he stayed back, didn't ride their bumper after they even come on out. He backed off and let them go. And, you know, that's my thing is let off the gas. Let them pass. Ease off the gas and let them pass. We don't need no trouble. Don't need no trouble. I got to yakking and I'm nearly missed bags. Well, I wasn't close, but I need to let these semis in front of me because I'm going to have to hop off. So, but anyway, guys, hope you have a great day. Hope you have a great weekend if you're watching this on a Friday. I don't know when you're watching, but I'm fixing to have a good weekend. So, I am fixing to unload this load, and I think I'm done unless they call me again. So, don't forget what I always say if you want to have a safe trip. You got to start out doing safe things. Inspect your truck. Inspect your trailer. Inspect your equipment. Love you guys. Oh, don't forget that wink bar I was talking about. There's still a link in the description for it if you want one. So, love you guys. Have a great day.